Central Oregon's watersheds face challenges due to floodplain degradation from land use and climate change. This worsens drought impacts on farms and wetlands. My long-term research goal is to restore ecological functionality of Central Oregon watersheds by identifying and studying floodplains that are healthy and degraded. One of many Central Oregon watersheds, this is White Shoes Creek.
Floodplain health is crucial for supporting vegetation, especially in semi-arid regions like Central Oregon. Improving floodplain connection leads to more biomass and greenery, benefiting water quality, biodiversity, carbon storage, and ecosystem resilience. To identify restoration opportunities, I am comparing NDVI values and evapotranspiration, or ET, between reconnected and degraded floodplains. NDVI is a metric for vegetation health, which reflects the conditions of floodplain stream connections and overall ecological health. Using GIS, specific floodplains are identified and outlined. NDVI and ET data are extracted for each floodplain using satellite imagery. To better understand how this data is collected, let's take a walk into the lab. This is it. Comparison of these datasets provides insights into floodplain health and ecosystem dynamics. Preliminary analysis reveals stark differences between reconnected and degraded floodplains. Reconnected floodplains exhibit higher NDVI values, indicating healthier vegetation cover and better floodplain stream connectivity. Restoration opportunities are identified based on areas with degraded floodplain conditions. OpenET facilitates access to critical data for assessing floodplain health and guiding restoration efforts. Its user-friendly interface enables efficient analysis and visualization of NDVI and ET data. By utilizing tools like OpenET and analyzing NDVI and ET data, I can identify targeted restoration opportunities that improve ecosystem resilience. Let's work together to restore the ecological function of our rivers and safeguard these vital ecosystems for future generations.